So y'all, let me just show y'all this story of getting this food. I ordered this food on DoorDash, right? I ordered this food at 8 o'clock. Almost 12 o'clock, bro. I ordered this food at 8 o'clock so I can sit down and do this video. My first dasher, who goes by the name of Jose, this man confirmed my order, got my order, and ate my order. I'm sitting here wondering why DoorDash keeps saying, finding you a new dasher. And I'm like, okay, it must be something wrong with the store. I call people at the store, they tell me, Jose took my damn food already. And I'm like, I didn't get my food though. He thought DoorDash was just lagging. He could see on his end, a new dasher continuously being provided. So he thought it was just lagging until I called him. I'm like, no, I didn't get my food. He's like, okay, I'm gonna figure out what's going on. DoorDash called him, asking the same questions I'm asking. They also have it in a record that he has confirmed my food, but he just didn't deliver it. So I'm pretty sure DoorDash had to reimburse them to make me some more food to get it delivered. Because my delivery guy at the time, my 6th delivery guy, maybe even 7th, was already there. They're having this guy wait. So I'm pretty sure, like I said, I'm pretty sure that DoorDash actually like paid them to make me some more food to get it delivered to me. All in all, I got my food. But personally, DoorDash need to have some more security. When they notice people like them going around swiping people's food, like totally ban their ass. For real. First of all, not only did he scam me, he scammed the store, he scammed DoorDash because the DoorDash people had to reimburse him, pay for my food after he stole it. Like, everybody gets scammed here. But in the end, DoorDash are the ones who's coming out of their damn pocket. And if shit like this keep happening, they're gonna be bankrupt. Because they're gonna have to keep paying for people's food. Or they either gonna be bankrupt or they gonna be in debt. One or the other. Cause it's not that secure. It can't be. This man just got away with this. Another thing I was thinking too, they got cameras in that damn store. That's a crime. They better report his ass and say that his ass going around doing that shit, stealing people food, and then we wasting our fucking time, my nigga. Like I said, I ordered that food at 8 o'clock. It is now 11. I was supposed to be asleep, but I'm up over here playing tag with the delivery people, trying to find the right one who gonna deliver my damn food. DoorDash need more protection for themselves, because that'll put you out of business real quick. You'll be bankrupt as fuck. And they definitely don't need that guy to be working for them again. And I think DoorDash, I'm not sure if they do the same thing that Uber Eats do. I think Uber Eats also like take people's social security number, ID, and all that type of stuff to verify them first. So they got all of this man's information. If so, honestly, I'm starting to get full.
hope that you guys like this video. I say, peace.